Hiya folks, AJ the bartender. We're going to use this lab separatory system, and we're going to have the bourbon drop itself onto this brown sugar. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our Eagles Rare Kentucky bourbon. We're going to drop it in the top of this. Hopefully it's not going to do that, you son of a bitch. So to make this drink, I'm going to be using an old-fashioned glass because it is an old-fashioned, and I'm going to use an absinthe drip spoon. That's what it's called. And I'm going to use a brown sugar cube and put that on top of the absinthe drip spoon. And then I'm going to take this bitters and I'm just going to do 3 dashes or a little bit more of bitters onto my brown sugar cube. And then I'm just gonna start a drip. I'm gonna let it drip slowly for about 2 ounces. Every single drop is going through the brown sugar and the bitters, basically infusing every drop of bourbon with brown sugar and bitters. This is the first of many different things I'm going to try with this system. It's got to be hard to wash. Also, you got to make sure that this handle is really tight, and you want to have some catching it in case, you know, it does drip out. But it's pretty solid, actually. I didn't have any problems with it. It didn't drip everywhere in, you know, in the middle of the night. So the alcohol can just sit there. The absinthe spoon is really cool. I like the shape of it. I like its uses. Honestly, I just like knowing that every drop of bourbon went through brown sugar and bitters. This is crazy. This is next level. Basically, the alchemy is infusing the bourbon with brown sugar and the bitters, so that every drop is superfluously and intentionally made to perfection. Perfection in a drink can be attained with the right tools. This is no longer bartending. This is science. Oh yeah. Let's hit that last drop up there. Whoa. Okay, well, that's looking good. I used some expensive stuff here, so I have to drink this. So you can go as much as you want, but I'm gonna pull back right about here, and the brown sugar is almost completely dissolved. You're gonna come over here. Now, once you're here, we're gonna mix it with ice, but first I'm gonna get a garnish ready. Don't mind this, it's just cherry juice. What I'm gonna do is just cut a little peel of orange. Shape it a little. I'm gonna add my ice. I'm just gonna give it a little extra stir. Add my orange garnish. And top it with the maraschino cherry. And there you have it, an absinthe drip for an old-fashioned. Cheers. That's too good. That's too good. Completely every single drop infused with bitters and brown sugar makes this just a delicacy. Just a goddamn delicacy. When you die and you go to heaven and you say hello to God and God says hello to you, this is what you'll smell on his breath. Excuse me, I gotta go drink this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Nothing's free in this world.